Dear students, now we are going to discuss station keeping techniques in satellite communication. In satellite communication, it is very important to keep the geostationary satellite in its correct orbital path. So this is the geostationary orbit. So here we have to keep the geostationary orbit in its correct path because due to the orbital perturbations, the geostationary satellite may drift slowly along the orbit. Okay, so it changes its position. So here orbital perturbations means equatorial ellipticity of the earth. Here the equatorial plane is not a perfect circular. It is having some ellipticity. So that is called as equatorial ellipticity, as well as the gravitational pull of the sun and moon. So this perturbing forces drift the satellites to change its position. So we need to avoid to change its position by using some techniques that is called as station keeping. So due to equatorial ellipticity of the earth, the satellite drifts its position slowly along the orbit. It can be deviated to either 75-degree east or 105-degree west. Okay, so these two stable points are known as satellite graveyards. So at these 2 points, the satellites are not working in a proper condition. So here we need to avoid to move towards these two positions. So for that we can use some propulsion system or thrusters. Okay, so here keeping the station or orbit assigned for it is known as station keeping method. So it is the orbital control process required to maintain a stationary orbit using satellite thrusters. It can be a jets. Okay, so here we are using thrusters or jets to avoid the drift due to the orbital perturbations. Do you all understand this concept? Station keeping methods are mainly used to compensate the effects due to the orbital perturbations. So it is mainly used to keep the satellite in its assigned orbit. Okay. There are two types of station keeping maneuvers used in satellite communication. So maneuvers means it is a system which uses propulsion to change the orbital path. Okay. So there are two types. One is east-west station keeping maneuver. Next one is north-south station keeping maneuver. So here east-west station keeping, it deals with longitude. Okay. So here this north and south, it deals with the latitude. Okay. The first one is east-west station keeping maneuvers. Due to the equatorial ellipticity of the earth, the satellite drifts slowly along the orbit in east or west direction. So here an oppositely directed velocity component like propulsion, thrusters or jets can be used to oppose the drift in the opposite direction. So these jets are pulsed once every 2 or 3 weeks to drift back the satellite to its original position. So here the satellite remains its original position until the jets are pulsed again. Okay. So these maneuvers are called as east-west station keeping maneuvers. So here the drift is done only for longitude. So here we can have some longitude tolerance limits. So satellites in C-band like 6 by 4 GHz must be kept within plus or minus 0.1 degree. That is the tolerance limit for this C-band. So similarly we can have the longitude tolerance limit for Q-band, that is 14 by 12 GHz range, is plus or minus 0.05 degree. Okay. So next, north-south station keeping maneuvers. So here due to the gravitational pull of the sun and moon, the geostationary satellites drift in its latitude also. So here you can see that, so this is the geostationary satellite. Here the inclination is 0 because the equatorial plane is same as that of the geostationary orbit. So here the inclination is equal to 0. But due to the gravitational pull of the sun and the moon, Here the geostationary satellites drift in the latitude. That means here the inclination value is not equal to 0. So this forces cause the inclination to change at the rate of 0.85 degree per year. So here this drifting can be done like this, okay, due to the gravitational pull of the sun and the moon. Here the geostationary orbit becomes like this, with inclined with this equatorial plane, okay. So if it is not corrected, what will happen? Inclination will increase from 0 degree to 14.67 degree in 26.6 years, okay. So it is entirely changed with respect to this equatorial plane, okay. In order to prevent the shift in inclination, that means in latitude from the specified limits, here we are going to use jets, okay. So it may be pulsed at the appropriate time to return the inclination as 0. So inclination is the angle between the equatorial plane and the geostationary orbit, okay. It should always be 0. So these maneuvers are called as north-south station keeping maneuvers. So to tolerance limit for C band is plus or minus 0.1 degree. Then the tolerance for Q band is plus or minus 0.05 degree. So the north-south maneuvers are much more expensive in fuel, okay, to keep the orbit as same as that of equatorial plane. So here very important concept is the inclination angle is always 0 degree.